Topaz. National news. Arab Muslim leaders to meet in quarters to denounce Israel attack. Once banned Islami Chhatra Shibir Jadip back panel wins Jahangir Nagar University students in union poll in Bangladesh. Thank you.
My name is Hasini from Grade VIII Topaz. Today I am going to tell about national news. FBI's drug-borne cases health series at Montana Animal Shelter. Staff members hospitalized. Young activists who topple Nepal's government now picking new leaders. Trump adopts messengers in chief role after Charlie Kirk's death. Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Grade VIII Topaz. Today I am going to tell state news. State news. KTR tears with MLA Krishna Mohan Reddy over Congress defection. Questions were unkept promises. Heavy rains batter Hyderabad again. IMD predicts more showers on Monday. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Naim from Grade VIII Topaz, here to brought you state news, sports news. UPOda versus Bengal Warriors. Bengal Warriors won by 5 points. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought by Shoshankar from Grade VIII Topaz. Weather report. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Mostly cloudy. Wind speed 15.8 km per hour. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Sashi of Grade VIII Topaz. Thought. Mathematics is not just about equations, numbers or polygons. It is about understanding pattern and logic, which shapes our future. Thank you.
Hey everyone, myself Karan of Grade VIII Topaz. Today's word exponent. An exponent tells how many times to multiply a number itself. Friends, please spell after me. Exponent. EX. PO. NE. NT. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today Jika questions are brought to you by PVCAS of Grade VIII Topaz. Question for Grade 7. What is the HCF of prime numbers? Yes, you pick the right answer and the answer is 1. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. What is the multiplicative inverse of 0? 0. I repeat it again. What is the multiplicative inverse of 0? Undefined. Yes, you pick the... No, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is does not exist. Question for Grade 9. When is Pi Day is celebrated? The answer is March 14. Let us appreciate them. Who is the father of trigonometry? I repeat it again. Who is the father of trigonometry? No, you didn't pick the right answer. And answer is Hipparchus. Open questions. First question. Which branch of mathematics deals with the study of shapes and properties? Yes. Yes, you pick the correct answer. And answer is geometry. Let us appreciate them. Second question. What is the sum of first 11 odd numbers? Yes, you pick the correct answer. And answer is 121. Let us appreciate them. Question number 3. In coordinate geometry, what is the point where x-axis and y-axis intersect? Origin. Yes, you pick the correct answer. And answer is origin. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. I am Moshi from Grade VIII Topaz. I am here to give a small speech on fear of mathematics. Many students fear mathematics, but math is not our enemy. It is a tool that helps us to think clearly and solve problems. The more we practice, the easier it becomes. Instead of fearing math, let's see it as a friend that makes us smarter every day. Let's stop saying I am not a math person. Instead, let's say I am still learning. Mistakes are part of the process. So don't fear math, face it and you will find it's not as scary as it seems. Thank you. That's the end of today's speech.
My name is Keshav of Grade VIII Topaz. Today I am honored to speak one of the greatest Indian mathematician and astronomer of all time, Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was born in 476 CE during a time when India was a global, learning even more than 1500 years ago. He had discovered that were far ahead of his time, and many of them are still relevant today. At the young age of 23, Aryabhatta wrote a famous book called Aryabhatta, which including groundbreaking work in algebra, trigonometry, and astronomy. And his most remarkable contribution was introducing the concept of zero in mathematical calculation and a symbol and idea that changed mathematics forever. Thank you. Have a nice day.